want to take a look at the integration section within the setup menu. So to get there, you go setup, and then you'd hit the integrations menu on the left. So the organization integration API keys allow you and your developers to connect in directly with ERSA. So that could be for your own software to directly connect in, or maybe a third-party bit of software. On this page, we show you the organization's unique ID, which your developers can use. We also have our API docs links here. So this is your developer documentation, should you want to use the integration with your own software. It's really well laid out. So your developers will be able to have a really easy time connecting in with ERSA. We use really modern tech stacks, and we lay out all the sections. It's really easy to find how you list people, create people, edit people, etc. So let's just pop in back to the dashboard. What I'm going to do is jump into this organization, and we're going to create an integration key. So all you need to do is hit the plus button here, and we're going to create a unique key for your developers to use to connect in with your account. Let's just call this one Andy's development key. And you can either select for the test environment or the production environment. So this is depending on whether you're just getting going or you need a key for your production environment. So let's just save this one as a production environment. So you can always see in this section what keys are currently active. You can see if they're a test or a production key. And you can just hit this copy button, and that copies the key to the clipboard. You can always go into the key as well, and you can see you can rename it. You can't alter the key itself, but you can also delete the key. So if you no longer need it, you can just hit delete, and that key is gone. So remember, if you're using a key in production, don't ever delete it and recreate it without your developers updating that on your side of things. So now we've got an API key. This gives us access to any of the functions available within ERSA's integration section. So for instance, to use it, your developers might want to use it with the MPS tool. So if we go into the MPS tool, there's an integration section. So you can actually enable that here to allow them access into that tool. It gives them their ID. And there's also a link in here to the relevant developer documentation. And so that's integrations. So this integration section is a really powerful tool where you can integrate with your existing software and make the ERSA experience even better.